Introducing the 2016 BMW 3 Series. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The iconic 3 Series sedan earns its place in motorsport history every day. From its powerful performance to its agile handling and refined sense of style, it's the model of balance and intelligence. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: 4-cylinder engine, fog lamps, alarm, aluminum wheels, rear-wheel drive. Seize the opportunity to be part of a motorsport legend. Drive the 3 Series sedan.